Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to add a story in Telegram. Whether you want to share a photo or a video with your contacts, we've got you covered. Let's dive into this full guide. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the camera icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open the camera screen, and you can access the gallery from the other side. Step 3. Tap the center button to take a photo or hold it to record a video. Alternatively, swipe up to access your gallery and select an available photo or video. Step 4. If desired, enter your desired text in the caption field. Step 5. Tap Next in the bottom right corner. Step 6. Choose who can see your story from the options provided: everyone, my contacts, close friends, or selected users. Step 7. Tap Post Story to share your story with the selected audience. With these simple steps, you'll be able to add captivating stories on Telegram, share your moments, and connect with your contacts in a fun and engaging way. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.